Thank you for clicking on the link and welcome to Juice Kitchen. Today's recipe is Makhir Lemonade and today's healthy ingredient is Makhir. It is a ginger that is found in the hills of Meghalaya and we are using our very own Makhir fit tea to make this lemonade recipe. So ginger has a compound called gingerol which holds all the medicinal values from which the health benefits are derived. And in Meghalaya, there's a ginger that we call Makhir, and this ginger is known to have a very high gingerol content, which is why I've chosen Makhir ginger to be our healthy ingredient for today. For this recipe, I am going to be using coriander, lemon juice, Makhir fit tea, salt, 2 slices of lemon, honey, some ice, and hot water. The first step is to infuse the Makhir fit tea and some hot water, and we'll let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes. The next step is to put the coriander into the blender, add some lemon juice and half a teaspoon of salt, and blend them all together. We'll add some ice cubes to the glasses. We've made our combination of lemon juice and coriander. Now we will pour them in the glasses. I will use a sieve. You don't have to sieve if you like the chunks. Remember, we had infused Makhir fit tea. Now we're going to pour this into our glasses, and this will make our lemonade. And the last thing I have to do is add some honey to our lemonade. Just half a teaspoon for each glass. And our Makhir lemonade now ready. If you like this video and you know someone who would enjoy this video, drop their info below and we will send them an exclusive invite.